Hello. So here you can see I have this sugarcane, small piece of sugarcane, and which I want to enjoy. But you can see this is the only juicy part, and then there are knots in between the two pores. So one knot, two knot, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So what I'm going to do, this I'm going to cut this from this part and this part, and I will keep this knot. We'll put it in the ground. Might be it will grow one day in the sugarcane plants. So let's start first to cut this plant. I have here a sharp knife. So we'll use this sharp knife, and it's very easy to cut. You can see very nice this part. We can enjoy, we can eat this one, or we can have a juice from here. So this is my first knot. Take a half inch behind, so this will be my first knot to go into the ground. I'm just keeping this separate. Oops. Next one is this one. This is my second piece of juicy sugarcane part, and here's my second knot. Number 2. Let's get the number 3. And then third knot. You need some hard knife, hard and sharp knife to get it, cut it. And this is my fourth piece of the sugarcane. So there is one more knot here, you can see, but it's very dry and I'm not sure if it will be grow or not, so I'm just not taking this one. Only 4 in between one. So let's go and put them in the ground. Here I have dug 4 holes. We'll put this one, number 2, and number 3. Either way you can put it, doesn't matter, and then cover it. It is on my backyard, so I just put one rock in front of this one so that I will know where I left it, and then cover it. I may need some more sand or some more soil to cover this hole. And then the very important part is this: we have to I have some compost, organic compost, which I made, that I can apply on these one. and once the water, once the rain will come or water will add water, these nutrients will go into the sugarcane knot and will follow after some time. Once it start growing, I will show you another video how they are growing. Now I have water is very important, you have to add some water. Sugarcane require a lot of water, so right now I'm just adding first part of the water, and these are also, I have put some sugarcane here also. We'll see how they will grow in there. Okay, so this was my experiment that we are growing these sugarcane knots here, and I will follow after some time how they are growing. Thank you.